student. Yesterday we have solved the fourth main 4 problems. Today let us continue from the fifth one. See, question is same. Don't write once again. Continue from the fifth one. 3 plus 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. We have to check whether it is in AP or not, and if it is in AP, we have to find 3 more terms. Okay, let us have the solution. Three plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. Next 3 terms we have to find. See, D equals to A2 minus A1. That is 3 plus root 2 minus 3. Plus 3 minus 3 cancel. The difference is root 2. Then second one, D equals to A3 minus A2. That is A3, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus of A2, 3 plus root 2. That is equals to 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2 plus root 3 minus root 3 gets cancelled. Then see, 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2. How many root remaining? 1 root 2 remaining. That is root 2. See once again, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. Plus 3 minus 3 cancels. Here like terms are remained. 2 root 2 minus root 2. In 2 root 2, 1 root 2 has to be subtracted. So how much remain? That is root 2. Then in third case, D equals to A fourth minus A3. That is A fourth is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus of A3, 3 plus 2 root 2. Here 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 plus 3 minus 3 cancel. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. That is like terms remained. So that is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. That is 1 root 2. Simply we have to write only root 2. See, by observing the common difference of these given values, that is constant one, root 2, root 2, root 2. Therefore, common difference is constant. Therefore, it is in AP. It is in AP. In other words, we can check, we can write this implies that A2 minus A1 is not equal, is equals to A3 minus A2. That satisfies the condition. So it is in AP. The 3 terms we have to write. Next 3 terms are on 4 terms they have given. We have to find 5th term. A fifth equals to A fourth plus D. A fourth is 3 plus 3 root 2 plus D is root 2. That is equals to 3 plus 3 root 2 plus 1 root 2. How many root? 4 root 2. Then A6 equals to a fifth plus d. A fifth is nothing but 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2, that is 3 plus 4 root 2 plus 1 root 2, that is 5 root 2. Then a seventh equals to a sixth plus d. A sixth 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2, that is 3 plus 5 root 2 plus 1 root 2. Like sorts are there, that is 6 root 2. See, the next three terms are 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2. Like that you have to solve. See once again the solution. Okay, next, that is sixth one. Zero point two, 0.22, 0.222 to 0.222, like that. Here d equals to a2 minus a1, that means 0.22 minus 0.2, that is equals to 0.2 minus 0.2, that means 0.02. Then d equals to a3 minus a2. a3 0.222 minus 0.22, that is equals to 0.002. Then d equals to a4 minus a3, that is 0.222 minus 0.222. So 0.30, 1, 2, 3, remaining 2. See, by observing the common difference, we got different values. 0.2 for in first case, in second case 0.02, in third case 0.002. Common difference is not constant. Common difference is not constant, therefore it is not in AP. In other words, it will not display the property of that that is arithmetic progression, that means it is not in AP. Okay, if it is not in AP, it is not necessary to find the next three terms. So let us move to the next problem, that is seventh one. Once again you write down neatly, then I will write the next one. Okay, see this one is the seventh problem, 0 minus 4 minus 8 minus 12. That eighth one is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay, let us have the solution for seventh one. 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12. Okay. D equals to A2 minus A1. That is minus 4 of minus 0. That is minus 4. D equals to A3 minus A2. Minus 8 of minus 4. That is equals to minus 8 plus 4. That is equals to minus 4. Here you can write that value of that is 0 also. Okay, 0, that is 0. Then D equals to A4 minus A3. A4 is minus 12. Minus of minus 8. That is minus 12 minus into minus plus 8. Once again we got minus 4. See, by observing the common difference of these given values, common difference is the constant. Is constant. Therefore, it is in AP. That is given values are in AP. So, it implies, you can write that in previous one we have used, that is A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2. It is not necessary to write. If the condition is asked, you have to write this problem satisfies the condition of A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2. Obviously, we can tell that the given values are in AP. So, the next 3 terms, let us solve next 3 terms. Next 3 terms are that terms, 4 terms are given, we have to find 5th term. A5th equals to A4th plus D. A4th, how much? A4th is minus 12 plus of common difference is minus 4. That is minus of 4 minus 12 minus 4. That is equals to minus 16. Then A6th equals to A5th plus D. That is minus 16 plus of minus 4, that is minus 16 minus 4, that implies that is minus 20. Then A7th equals to A6th plus D, that is minus 20 plus of minus 4, that is minus 20 minus 4, that is equals to minus 24. The next 4 terms are minus 16, minus 20, minus 24. Okay, now we have solved 4 problems related to 4th main of arithmetic progression of 1.1. There are some more problems, let us solve. You observe the solution and write down the solution what I have done. I hope you have written that one. Then let us continue the 8th one. Here minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Okay. Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. D equals to A2 minus A1 minus of 1 by 2 minus of 1 by 2. That is minus of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 cancel, that equals to 0. Then D equals to a3 minus a2, that is minus of 1 by 2 minus of 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that gets cancelled 0. Then d equals to a4 minus a3, that is minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. We got here 0. So what we have to write? By observing the common difference is constant. Is constant. Therefore, it is in AP. It is in AP. Next four terms. Can you imagine the what would be the next four terms? See, very simple. If 0 is added to anything, nothing will change. So the next four terms will be minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. See, I will write directly. The next four terms are, that is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, because 0 has to be added. 0 has to be added. Okay, see, we have solved so far 8 sums. So let us continue 9th, 10th and 11th one. See 9th one. Solution for 9th one. 1, 3, 9, 27. Okay, let us find D. A2 minus A1. 3 minus 1, that is 2. Then D equals to A3 minus A2, that is 9 minus 3, that is 6. Then D equals to A4 minus A3, 27 minus 9, that is 18. See, by observing the common difference of given values, we have different values 2, 6, 8. So what we have to write? Common difference is not constant. Therefore, it is not in AP. Okay, so it is not necessary to write the next 3 terms. So let us move to the 10th one. A, 2A, 3A, then 4A. B equals to A2 minus A1, that is 2A minus A, that is equals to A. B equals to A3 minus A2, that is 3A minus 2A, that is equals to A. Then D equals to A4 minus A3, that is equal to 4A minus 3, that is equals to A. See, by observing the common difference of these values, we got the constant value, that is A. Common difference of is constant. Therefore, it is in AP. Okay. Next 4 terms. Next three terms. That is a fifth, a fourth plus d. That is a fourth is 4a plus a, that is 5a. Then a sixth equals to a fifth plus d, that is 5a plus a, that is 6a. Then a seventh equals to a sixth plus d, that is 6a plus a, that is equals to 7a. So the next three more terms are 5a, 6a, 7a. Orally you can solve that one, a to a plus 3a, because common difference is very simple one, that is a. We have to add a to all the next consecutive terms. Next consecutive terms, a, if you add the a, you will get the consecutive terms. So this one is the 10th problem. Write down neatly. I hope you have understood. Okay, let us move to the next one, that is 11th one. A square, a cube and a4. See, a that is solution for 11th one. A square, a cube, a4. Okay, let us find the common difference. D equals to a2 minus a1. That equals to a2 is a square, a1 is minus a is common, a minus 1. Next, d equals to a3 minus a2. a3 is a cube, a2 is a square. So a square is common. Here also we got a minus 1. Then d equals to a fourth minus a3. But a fourth minus a cube. A cube we got common term. So a minus 1. See, by observing the common difference of these values, a minus 1 is common for all the terms, but the coefficient of a minus 1 is different. Here for this a minus 1, a is the coefficient. If for a minus 1, this a square is the coefficient. For a minus 1, a cube is the coefficient of that one. So the common difference is not constant, therefore it is not in AP. By observing the common differences, we didn't get the constant term. So common difference is not constant, therefore it is not in AP. It is not in AP. Okay, let us complete today's class. I will give some homework you have to do without fail. Homework, every student you have to do the homework, otherwise it is useless to teach in such holidays. You have to take better use of holidays. See, I will give some homework. If you have any difficulties, you can call me at any time. Okay, solve these problems as homework without fail.